Welp is here, even though I thought I wasn't going to be able to get him. This is the new in 2025 Fire Demon animatronic from Spirit Halloween, or should I say one of the weirdest Spirit Halloweens I've ever been to. Not gonna go too in depth on what happened, but in short, we had to wait around for at least a half hour until the employees who were more than likely there for just a paycheck, found one in their stock room. Fortunately, during that lengthy procedure that should have only taken 5 to 10 minutes, I did end up getting him with a 20% off discount which totaled to $262. And if you're wondering, Fire Demon's price is normally $309 which is an okay price, but I think $270 would have been a better price, hell even $260. Now as you can see, Fire Demon's box got slightly ripped open at the top while they were unpacking him from the brown shipping box, so I'm hoping that everything is included within the box nor broken, with only one way to find out.
I have come for you. Look deep into the burning fire as I drag you into the dark abyss.
In order to complete this video without having Fire Demon look like a Jemmy floating head prop from the 2010s era, I decided to shrink him to fit in this room by removing his one set of poles. He's surprisingly still tall, which is great, as you can still use him for the sake of him being more eye level with patrons. This is the new in 2025 Fire Demon animatronic from Spirit Halloween out of his box and set up, and overall this is definitely one of Spirit's better animatronics from their 2025 lineup, next to Back Ben Bonnie, Monkey Business, and Sinister Straw Man. We barely get demons in the form of animatronics, and when we do they're either a hit or miss. Fire Demon here is a perfect example of a hit in terms of demon animatronics. He's once again $309 which is an okay price for him, but you're getting I believe an almost 8-foot animatronic that utilizes a jump scare, so $309 can honestly be a good price for him too. Not to forget to mention, but this prop is actually a slight reskin of another Spirit Halloween animatronic known as the Black Heart, only his not a spring-loaded jump scare. In terms of detailing on Fire Demon, it's pretty cool. His head with horns, chest, and hands all have this golden streak lines on them, almost like burn marks or something, which hey, he's a demon of fire so it really doesn't matter. Now since I think I've talked about all my pros, let's get to the cons of Spirit Halloween's 2025 Fire Demon animatronic. Remember how this prop is supposed to be outdoor rated? Well, it's kind of not, because get this, some of the wiring cables are not watertight. Even the robe that he wears isn't really made to be out within the harsh weather, unless you want to ruin it to make it look wet and weird. The second con that I have for this prop is that I think his mechanism's faulty. Not on mine per se, but in general it seems a little messed up. Think about it, it's got 3 very suddenly violent movements, and so that's why I would be kind of worried about the main mechanism wearing out on your own Fire Demon. Overall, I'd give Spirit Halloween's new in 2025 Fire Demon animatronic an 8 out of 10. Due to some false advertising for the outdoor rated quality, and his main spring-loaded mechanism potentially breaking in the future. I'd highly recommend this prop nonetheless if you're looking for a good modern demon animatronic for your haunt walkthrough or yard display. And he'll even fit in with any theme that you do, minus clowns and probably zombies. But until the next video of mine, bye.